Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm gonna teach you how to find trending sounds on TikTok. If you think that this video is gonna be helpful to you, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end, and let's get straight into it. The major benefit of using trending sounds is that you can get a lot of views on your TikToks by adding them. Now there are a couple of places that you can find them. First of all, open up your TikTok. Now from the home screen of your TikTok, you can tap on the search bar on the top right of the screen and search for trending sounds. And head over to the sound section. Here you can see besides the song it's written popular, so these are the songs that are trending on TikTok right now. Now this could be different depending upon your region. The song that could be popular could be only popular in your region or in your country. Now the second place that you can find it is when you try to post a TikTok. You'll see a similar interface like this. Now you'll see an option of add sound on top. Now depending upon your TikTok, if you're using a business account, you would not be able to use certain kind of music because it could get copyright, and you can only use licensed songs as a business account. So you could have restrictions if you have a business account, but if you are a personal account, then you would have no problem using all of the popular sounds showing up here. So I hope you guys liked this video and found this video to be helpful. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching.